Greetings. This is a second video of RobotStudio, continuing from our previous one, where we programmed our ABB IRB 120 manipulator to draw the Middlesex University acronym using a pen holder. In this case, we upgraded the system so the task can be achieved using both pre-programmed targets and paths, but also using autopath. The main difference between each method is that autopath allows the programmer to get the path quicker, but it must have a physical surface to do so. For these purposes, we introduced a piece with initials with the letters MDX and a table for which allows it to be supported by. So our environment makes more sense. It has no functionality but an aesthetic purpose. Also, the upgrade allows a user to choose the figures to be drawn by the manipulator using the flexpendant. We will make all targets and paths invisible to be appreciated even better. And now we proceed to load our flexpendant. We have to make sure to load the program first, debug it, have our flexpendant at manual mode, and enable movement. Just after getting all these things sorted, we can click play on our program. The program will start reading us and then it will make us choose one of these options. The program procedure, the autopath procedure, or the start position, which basically means that if the robot was moved by any means, jogged or moved manually, then we can move it to the start position, which is our home position, in which every figure will start moving. We will choose the autopath procedure, and then we will choose whatever figure we want. We can choose any letter separately, the outer square of the whole piece, or the complete MDX. So we will choose this one, and we will see the movement of the robot. One needs to make sure that the movement in the paths have a certain speed, where in a real scenario it will draw our desired figures smoothly. Another point to highlight is that there must be an offset position from the first target of every figure to allow the robot to approximate every main path slowly, which must be programmed beforehand too. This will avoid damage both on the manipulator, the tool, the surface, and in this case, in the piece we are working with, in case we have one. This procedure can also be achieved using the pre-programmed sequence. The biggest difference will be seen in the rapid environment, but in the end, for the user or the operator, the results will be the same. There won't be any difference at all physically. The program says that in order to choose any other procedure, we have to run the program again. So we will debug and then we will play again. In this case, we will choose the programmed method and we'll choose the square one, the square option. We can choose any option in Both procedures, they will have the same results in the end, but the main difference could be seen just in the rapid environment, as told before. In the end, we will have the same results. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.